got a couple of nice goldies for dinner. Yay! Nice goldie.
That was the one on my hook.
Oh, look at him. Nice goldie.
Nice.
They're called a golden snapper, or in WA we call them finger mark. Beautiful, really golden colour on him. Yeah, so now we're gonna head up. We're just getting ready. We're gonna head up to the little waterfall and the hermit's shack and go take a look. There's a couple of crocs hanging around. There's one out there, little one. They were hanging by the boat last night looking at the dogs, but yeah, there's one out there. He shouldn't bother us. They're not real big, luckily, so, but they're definitely around. So let's go check out this hermit shack. Had to tie the boats up down there. Can't see, there's a tree. We came check out this pool. Little waterfall. There's a hermit shack around there. We couldn't get through. You can get through into this pool, but there's not enough water. It's going to get dark otherwise. So there's a little waterfall. So we couldn't get up past these rocks here because the tide's too low, which is a shame. But oh well. We'll go have a beer and have some golden snapper for dinner. Oh, what a day. A couple of goldies. A couple of goldies. A beautiful Kimberley sunset. Beauty. Good morning. We are leaving beautiful little Leadline Creek. We've been here for a couple of days and we are heading north towards the Raft Point area. We got a few days to burn before we can go out to Montgomery Reef because we've got to have the tides right. We've got to have the springs, or at least the start of the springs. It's neeps right now, so there's not enough movement out there for it to be spectacular. So we're just going to go up a little creek that we know, another one, a little sail today, about 20 miles, 15 miles or something, and hopefully there's some wind.
Yeah, hopefully. At the moment there's 0.
Sun's rising at the moment. It's absolutely beautiful. We're just making our way out of this creek. It's absolutely amazing. You can see in the drone shots, it's just unbelievable. We haven't landed a Barra yet. So
no Barra yet. Pretty devastated at the moment.
You can see how cold it is. We're in jumpers and stuff, so and it's neeps. But the next couple of days, they should hopefully start to fire up. So fingers crossed.
Where's the Barra at?
Let's go sailing. So I've got a theory that the reason we haven't got a Barra yet is...
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
because I got no friggin...
because I got no balance. The reason we haven't got a barra yet, I reckon, is because we haven't had any music going. You know what they say? No doof, no boof.
Oh my god. Do they?
That's what they say. So we're going to take music and we're going to catch a barra. Really? Got a couple of live baits out. One out the back in this snag, a couple in this snag, one on the surface there. Hold him.
Look at him!
I've got something running as well.
Oh no, I'm around the tree with him.
I'm on here as well. I don't know what this is, but we will need to land yours.
It's around the tree though.
Yeah, just keep the weight on him. He's still hooked.
There he is, babe.
Just let him.
He's around and round again. Down the tree, he's down. Holy fuck, I can see there.
Yes. Get him out.
I can't, he's around. Oh, there he's sitting there.
Yeah, we'll get in there with the net. I've got something really big on here. I don't know what it is. You got him?
Yeah.
Do you want the net?
Yeah.
We're both hooked up here. It's all going on. It's all going on here.
Picked you up too.
Nice little barra.
There you are.
I think I might have a croc on mine. Yes! Woohoo! Barramundi! Woo!
Woohoo!
This is what we came for.
Yeah. Nice good sized barra. First one in the Kimberley since, well, we've been here. We've caught many before, but this is the first one. And on the off season as well, so
Woo!
well done me.
It's a good one. Got him on the live boat.
Yeah.
Whatever I had broke me off on the tree, so
Yeah, it might have been a bigger one, but
I'd like to think it was a big cod, not a barramundi. But look at that, that's a ripper.
woohoo.
Yeah, food. Here's a good one. What did he go? 60?
65.
65, nice. Alright, we'll get him on ice. I got a barra. I got one. Come, buddy. Come, pal. Come on. Doing it single-handed. I just dropped mine off to Chuck. There's the one she caught on ice. And I thought, oh, I'll go drop the crab pots, but then I've hooked up on this little beauty. Let's try and land him. Let's try and land him. No. Come here, buddy. He's got a little bit of life in him yet. Yes! Yoo-hoo! You beauty! Yes! You! You beauty! Beautiful barramundi. Hey? How's he? Nice fish. He went 70, 71. Mon got one just before. I was the only one who hadn't had one. Just chucked the livey out in this spot and got this little dog. Beauty. Pretty happy now. My first Kimberley barra for this trip. And we got two today, so we're doing all right. That's pretty good. I'm happy. What a day.
Yeah, it was a really good day. Got my first barra in the Kimberley for a very long time, so that was good. Our first one, because it's been a bit quiet with the barra, so we got what? Well, I got one that was 65, and so I got the first one out of us two, and of course Matt dropped me off so he could go fishing by himself. So, and then he got a 70.
A nice 71 model.
Not competitive at all.
Check this guy out.
Crocodiles.
Just hanging around the front of the boat.
Probably sense the dogs.
He wants one of these dogs to fall in. But, he's a bit of a pest, this one. He's been hanging around. We chucked the drone up and got a few really cool shots of this croc before we made our way up towards Doubtful Bay.
see Ruby Falls before the masses come in. We've got 2 tour boats, so trying to get in before they do. There's already one out there, so the other one's got, it's got 3 tinnies, so hopefully we beat them. Yeah, it's beautiful. Magic.
This is much nicer than dealing with all those people.
Yeah, thanks Chriso for the tips on where to go.
Yeah.
We found it.
We found it. This one's cool.
Look at that little creek over there.
Much better than sharing the Ruby Falls with the likes of the Eco Abrolhos and Ocean Dream.
Wow.
Sick.
Another waterfall in Kimberley. Beautiful.
So we parked the boats down there. Another swimming pool, waterfall. So a bit of a interest. What did we do today?
Oh, we went in to go and see some art.
Oh yeah.
But we couldn't find it, so we went down a creek and we got lost. Came to an end, saw a big croc on the bank, well Matt did, and we headed back to the boat to get ready to sail up to Raft Point.
Which is where we are now. And if you can see behind us, it's absolutely beautiful. And also behind us is a fisheries boat who boarded us today, so we've made some friends today. No, they just jumped on to make sure we're doing the right thing, and Border Force was on there and they actually gave us this cheat sheet. So if we see any of these boats, we call the number on the bottom and give them their lat and long, and they'll send someone out to go and sort them out, because apparently there's a lot of illegal fishing boats up here. We got Indonesians. Well, they're all Indonesian, but they're all different types of Indonesian fishing boats. But yeah, tomorrow we got another exciting thing. We're heading out to Montgomery Reef. So we're getting up really early. We're getting up at 4:30 to get out there, and so we can get the bottom of the tide out there, which means it should be flowing. Which is an amazing spot of just this reef that on low tide the water just pours off the top. Creates like cascades and little mini waterfalls and all sorts. It's really spectacular. It's something you got to see if you're up here. So we're
Can't
gonna
wait to see that. Get up and departed Raft Point and heading to Montgomery Reef, and we've got the moon setting in the back and the sunrise rising, so that's pretty cool. And Matt's really happy this morning, a little grumpy, and Ruby's on watch. Yeah, Ruby. And Barry's probably curled up. Oh no, he's awake. Morning, Barry. We have made it to Montgomery Reef, which is pretty cool. The reef has come almost all the way out of the water. Got a few runoffs. Matt will put the drone up and we'll have a closer look. We've just got to Montgomery Reef and we're just having a look around, and just at the back here we spotted something just in the distance, and I was like, oh, it looks like a boat or something, something's friggin' gone down, or a rock. And then we sent the drone out and guess what, it's a whale. So Matt's just hopefully we can see it on the drone, but we'll get some footage. Holy shit,
check out this footage. Wow. We'll chuck the
oh, that's awesome.
We'll chuck it on the thing, but it's a big dead whale on the top of Montgomery Reef.
Yeah, it must have got stuck in the tide.
Wow.
It's so sick.
Huge.
It's massive. So yeah, the drone's still out there. Oh my gosh. Pretty
Check out this footage. That's insane, a dead humpback whale on top of the Montgomery Reef. There's something you don't see every day, and that's definitely one of them.
Yeah, lucky to come out of here.
Drone footage will be pretty cool to see. Like, I wonder what happened to it. It looks like it might have had some bite marks taken out of it. Don't know. But yeah, pretty weird for it to wash up. You know, be on top of the reef as the tide goes out. Perfectly.
Sadly.
Sad. That's the circle of life, isn't it? It's the circle of life. Dead humpy. Yeah, so that's pretty wild. We got to see that. That's something you don't see every day. Pretty cool. Pretty cool to see nature at its finest. Anyway, that's Montgomery. Thanks for watching that episode, everyone. As always, click subscribe to follow along with the adventure as we make our way through the rest of the Kimberley.